Okay, cool. All right, Dwight, let's take a look at some of our new Bluetooth connectability in drives.
Okay.
So I've spent a lot of time in my career with things like ESCOs and ABBs, manually programming. So tell us a little bit about what has changed in the world of drives.
Okay, so we took the idea of Bluetooth and we used near-field communications instead. So picture Apple Pay
Yeah.
or your credit card that you tap to pay.
Sure.
So we took that technology and we put it in our new Commander S100 VFD.
Okay.
So with our Marshal app, you're able to connect to the drive by bringing the antenna on the phone close enough to read the parameters off.
Connect with it. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
And so this technology can be used with the drive on or off. It does not have to have power applied to it.
Oh,
so the chipset you're able to read and write with no power.
So installation, plenty of opportunities to do programming without having power applied to the unit itself.
Yeah, so if you're building a panel or
Yeah.
installing something, instead of having to energize it first, you're able to do that. You're then able to go into the app and you're able to go through a 4-step procedure to configure it for basic applications.
Instead of 60?
Exactly. So we can go ahead and begin. I'm going to keep the existing parameters because we got it running.
Absolutely.
You're able to go through your motor nameplate data just like you would any VFD. Then you're able to run a rotation test if you want to. So I'm not going to in this case because we're already running. You're able to set it up how you want to control it, whether that be keypad, a local remote type setup, a fixed speed, the keypad, voltage, or preset speeds.
Oh, okay.
Or current.
Sure.
So you're able to do all of that. From there, you can test that setup. Do you want to use a hardware enable?
Yeah, exactly.
And then we actually give a wiring diagram that's customized
for the application
and how we configure the drive.
Oh, wow.
So from there, you set up your min and max speed. You confirm everything, and then you write to the drive.
So we're creating a profile for that drive, building it in our app, and transferring it NFC back into the drive controller.
Yes.
And that's nice.
And then we also are, once we're finished,
I see the pictures here. This is where all the money's going.
We're able to create a PDF
so we can save our run profile.
Exactly.
Right. Commissioning. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Or if you're remote providing support to somebody that isn't as technically capable, you can have them install the app,
download,
and send them the file, and give them basic instructions on how to.
You can walk through the setup.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So from a remote support aspect, this is really powerful. Yeah. You can send them that PDF, and you can send them the file. They know how to wire it up, and they know how they can then apply the parameters into the drive.
I could tell you how many times I've talked to young technicians out in the field and say they have a brand of drive, they've had some faults, they've got to reset, or they have a new drive, and now they go, okay, how do I set this thing up? It's a lot of work if you're not familiar with the actual programming, how the system had been running beforehand. So now we have an opportunity to not only program a controller, but we can save that profile. Say we have a program failure down the road.
Yes.
Equipment failure. Now we can immediately upload that original format.
So you can save it with the same place you would save any drawings or anything like that. And transmit it electronically to get them back up and running.
Big change in the industry. Good technology. Thank you, Dwight.
Thank you.